Yeah, hi. We are from svsembedded. The project title name is Water Level Quality Monitoring System using Arduino with a temperature sensor, LDR sensor, pH sensor, water level detection, turbidity sensor using Arduino Uno R3 with 80 mega 328 controller AC board, 5 volts power supply module and a pH sensor module, pH, LDR, temperature and water level, sending the data to Arduino board. And here 20x4 LCD display connected with RS enabled D4, D5, D6, D7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and turbidity sensor connected to the A0. So here we are using 0 to 9 volts adapter power source. We are using bridge rectifier, filter capacitor, 7805 regulator, 1 LED, 5 volts power supply module, Arduino Uno R3 80 mega 328 controller IC board. Okay, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 20x4 LCD display and turbidity sensor connected to the A0 and pH sensor connected to the 5 volts ground TX and receiving data connected to the RX pin. Okay, so now I am giving water level quality monitoring. Okay, so now I am increasing the temperature. So this is temperature, LDR, water level and pH. Okay, so now temperature 71. Okay, so now LDR total dark. Okay, so LDR should be 0. Okay, so now I'm going to put into the normal water. Okay, and turbidity sensor goes to, okay, turbidity 0 0. Okay, yeah, pH 7.9. Okay, water level 22. Okay, restart it. Water level quality monitoring, pH, water level, LDR, so LDR and temperature. Okay, so now I'm going to put into the salt water. Okay, salt water, pH 7.5. Mud water. Okay, now it is not detecting. Go to the pure water, turbidity. Okay, 2.88. Temperature, water level. Okay, temperature 82. Okay, it's salt water, it's a normal water. Okay, both are manjira water. Okay, you can take other water also. If I am going to put into the mud, okay, mud water. Previously when we put, it will tell mud water. Yeah, mud water. Okay, dust water or mud water. Okay, now if I am going to add into the normal water, okay, it will tell normal water. Okay, normal water. And we are inserting both into one. Now normal water. Okay, power supply board, Arduino Uno R3 board and 20x4 LCD display. Yeah, it is saying mud water. Okay, now temperature values, pH values. Okay, so when we are going to insert this, okay, and it will, after 2 seconds it will send the data onto the LCD display. Okay, pH value, water level, LDR, temperature. Okay, and if you are going to insert into the mud, it will tell mud water. If you are going to insert into the normal water, it will tell normal water. Okay, so power supply, Arduino board, pH sensor, turbidity sensor module. If you are inserting this, it will tell, okay, red LED on, okay. Mud water, it will tell, it will read the data, mud water, okay, and sensor continuously read, okay.